How to reset or recover Binance two-factor authenticator. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover Binance two-factor authenticator. So let's get started with the video. So firstly, head over to your Binance application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now if you go to your profile and move into security, here you can see I have my Binance Google Authenticator. So if I want to change my Google Binance Authenticator, select this option. Once you tap on it, you will see the option where it says Change Binance Google Authentication. Simply tap on that. It will now ask you for your confirmation. Tap on Continue. But let's say you don't have the access to your Binance account because you're not being able to look for your two-factor authenticators. Now what you want to do is simply log into your account by entering your email address and then enter your password. Now we have the security verification. Right under Submit, you can find the security verification unavailable option. Click on that. Now you can reset your security verification either from your email address or your phone number. Let me select my email address and then tap on Confirm Reset. Tap on Continue. Now you will be receiving one verification code on your email address. Simply copy that code and enter it here. Then lastly, tap on Submit. Once you are done, you can go back and try log into your Binance account. And with that, you will be able to reset your two-factor authenticators. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.